Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I am recording a bunch of videos today because last week I was not feeling well at all, and so I kind of got backed up, as you can see. So just real quick, don't forget, there is a giveaway going on. The link will be down below for you to sign up. Also, if you haven't noticed, I added an outro. So now I have an intro and an outro to my video. If you like it, and if you are also a YouTuber and are interested in an intro or an outro, my husband's information will be down below because he is the one that does those wonderful things for me. So today, I have for you a new box subscription to me, and it is called BeautyFix by Dermstore. Again, don't know the price. I'll put it on the screen just as I always do. I don't know why I don't remember to do that. When I first sit down or right before I sit down, I don't know, but let's dig into this box. So I open it up, and this is what I see on the inside. Healthy skin and hair begin here. And then there is a card. It says BeautyFix Getaway. Okay, so on the inside of that are the products, so I'm not going to look at that right now, but I will reference it. It says, love what's in your BeautyFix. Visit Dermstore to shop the full-size items and save up to 20% with the code TRAVEL. So this is I believe that BeautyFix is more skincare heavy. When I signed up, I thought that maybe it was a little bit of both, but according to this, it is for hair and skincare, which is fine. And I do believe it's some full size, some travel size, or deluxe size, however you want to call that. So let me open this up, set it down, but not really look at it right now. So the first thing I am seeing, well, so I see this and it looks stacked. So the first thing I am pulling out here is by Juice Beauty, and it is the organic solution, and it is moisturizer. Now I know Juice Beauty is a really good brand. It says formulated with organic ingredients. So this is what it looks like, and let's see. Okay, so it does not say what these retail for, so I don't know. I always kind of like when they do tell us. Oh, and it has a safety seal, so I will leave that closed for now since I already have, oh, I don't know, a bazillion skincare items open. The next thing I am pulling out here is an apple cider vinegar hair rinse. That's interesting, and that does not look like a full size. It looks like a deluxe size. Let's see. It says, when you're on vacation, it's easy to skip a wash day or two. Get rid of buildup without stripping hair. Okay, so I will probably just put this, I will pass this along, put it in a giveaway, or pass it along to someone who will like to use it, or that would like to try it, because that's just enough to try. Oh, this is tiny. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is by Amazing Cosmetics. There's a reflection. Let's see. Okay, so this is a concealer, so I guess it is has a little makeup in it. Stay photo ready wherever you are with this smooth and creamy full coverage concealer. Okay, well, it doesn't indicate on the bottle what color it is. It doesn't indicate on this what color it is, unless it's in this really super tiny writing. So I guess I will open it and check it out. Okay, so that is way too dark for me, but since I opened it, I cannot pass it along. But that is, that's just way too dark for me. Ooh, yes, that's way too dark for me. So that is that. You know, I don't even know of anybody, since I had my finger on it and had it open, I don't know of anybody that is that skin tone that I could pass that along to, that is close enough to me that wouldn't care that I had my finger in it. So that'll probably just have to be tossed. The next thing I am pulling out is In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one. This works. So that is interesting. Let's see. So the brand is This Works. And it's just, it's exactly what it says. It's a 2-in-1 product, moisturizer and primer on the go. So, I mean, that's cool. Generally with primers, I do like to stick, I have sensitive skin, so anything that goes directly on my skin, like, I'm not saying that right, but anything that touches my skin, like all of my skin, like a primer or a foundation, I usually just stick to one brand. So just because I do have sensitive skin and I don't want to keep changing up my products all the time. So I will pass this along. The next thing I am pulling out is Arcona Cranberry Exfoliate, and it's an AM. I wonder if there's a PM in here. So this is free up space in your beauty bag with this 3-in-1 exfoliator, cleanser, and toner. That's cool. I don't mind giving that a try. The next thing I am pulling out here are Bright Eyes, and they are depuffing masks for under your eyes. Those are cool. The only thing with these sort of things is you actually like have to lay down and relax, because if you sit up, most likely they'll just slide right off of your face. But I mean, I do enjoy a good mask, whether it's for under the eyes or all over the face. Let's see. I really wish that they would give you prices, but... So the next thing is a Bioderma, and it is a mild cleansing foaming gel. So that is cool. Again, I think I will just pass this along, so I do not want to open it up. I do think that that is a nice product though. And it looks like the, oh no, not the last thing. They buried some stuff. Okay. All right, BeautyFix, I see you. Next thing is, ooh, Ico. I love Ico. What is this? Ico waterproof mascara? I wonder if that is, I wonder if it's the same formulation as the Ico mascara that I already have. If I do, this stuff is so fabulous. I'm pretty sure it's only $27, $28 for the full size, but I love my Ico mascara, so that is great. I will keep that. And then the last thing I am pulling out here, this was a little buried. So this is by Hum, and it's Deluxe 3-Night Sample Beauty Z's, helps promote restful beauty sleep. So I cannot take this. I will pass it along. I already take sleep medication and I wouldn't want to mix it with anything, so I will pass this along. And then the last thing I have, they look like wipes. It says cleansing spa water. And it just says, yep, easily wipe away makeup, oil, and dirt after a long day of sightseeing and snapping pics. So I really like that this box revolves around travel. I do like that aspect of this particular, I don't think they all do, I just think that this particular box does. I stick cleaning or cleansing wipes in my purse every time I travel. You know, these things are travel, a lot of these things are travel size. You know, when I often when I travel and I'm packing, I do like to take travel sized items opposed to the full size items if I have a travel size item of the thing that I love that is full size. So, I mean, I don't know. Overall, I do like this box. For my first box, there are some things I'm passing along, but there are things that I'm keeping too. So I think that that was great. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and have a wonderful day. Bye.